Will the home hero rise or will Márquez finally break the Magello curse? This season, Márquez has pulled off a stunning comeback, leading the championship with 32 points. Meanwhile, his Ducati teammate Pecco Bagnaia is struggling to find form, with crashes and inconsistent finishes slowing him down. But at Magello, Bagnaia is untouchable, 3 straight wins and undefeated in sprints. Márquez hasn't won here since 2014, but with both drivers on Ducati machinery, this could be his best shot yet. So, who takes the win? The comeback king or the hometown favorite? Or does someone else steal the show? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.